Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about Python program to print pyramid with hash symbols. So the hash symbols will be printed up to 15 hashes at the bottom. And this is the Python program to print full pyramid pattern of hashes up to 15 hashes at the bottom. So now here for I in range of 15, the first for loop represents number of rows and the second for loop represents number of columns. So now here the first for loops for I in range of 15 mean the range of I values are I is equal to 0 to 14 will be printed. So the range of I values are I is equal to 0 to 14. So I is equal to 0 indicates first row, I is equal to 1 indicates second row, I is equal to 2 indicates third row, I is equal to 3 indicates fourth row, like that up to 15 rows. Now here we want to print the at the bottom up to 15 hashes. So because of that, now here I will take range of I values are 15. So 15 rows will be created. And the second for loop indicates number of columns. So for each I in range of minus 16 comma minus I. So initially we will take I is equal to 0 and the range of h is minus 16 comma minus 0. So range of minus 16 comma minus 0 mean the range of h values are minus 16 to minus 1. And it go to the next value of the I. Next value of I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1. The range of h is minus 16 comma minus 1. So range of minus 16 comma minus 1 mean the range of h values are minus 16 to minus 2. And it move to the next value of the I is equal to 2. So if I is equal to 2, the range of h is minus 16 comma minus 2. So range of minus 16 comma minus 2 mean the range of h values are minus 16 to minus 3. So like that. So now here we can observe the range of h values. So initial I is equal to 0. The range of h is minus 16 to minus 1. And next value of I is the range of h values are minus 16 to minus 2. And the next value of I, the range of h values are minus 16 to minus 3, like that up to I is equal to 14. I is equal to 14, the range of h values are minus 16 to minus 15. And the second for loop indicates the number of columns. First for loop is the number of rows and second for loop is the number of columns. So now here print off. Now here I will use one space, end is equal to, there is no space. So initially I will take I is equal to 0. The range of h is minus 16 comma minus 1. Okay, and first row and minus 16 comma minus 1, and after 16th row it will print one hash. Now here the next for loop for j in range of I plus 1. Initially I is equal to 0. I is equal to 0. The range of j is range of 1. So range of 1 means j is equal to 0. So j is equal to 0. In the first row, one hash is printed. So print of hash. One hash is printed. So now I will use one space. In first for loop, in first row, one hash is printed. And now here I will use the print statement. It go to the next line and it go to the next value of the I. Next value of the I is equal to 1 and the range of h is minus 15 to minus 1. Minus 15 to minus 1 is means the range of h values are minus 16 to minus 2. And after minus 16 comma minus 2 rows, and the range of the j is j in range of, now where the value of I is 1. 1 plus 1 2. So range of 2 means the range of j values are 0 and 1. So I is equal to 0. In the first row 1 hash is printed and the second row 2 hashes are printed. So first I will run the program. So this is the okay, first save the program. File name .py. Okay, 15 hashes are printed from top to bottom, and this is the first row. In the first row, uh, after 16 columns, uh, after 16th column, one hash is printed after 15 spaces, and this is the 15 spaces. So now we are in the Python program. So now where the printf space is there. After 15, 16 spaces, first hash is printed. So now here space ఇచ్చాం కాబట్టి కరెక్ట్ గా మీరు కౌంట్ చేయలేకపోతే ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ స్పేస్ ఐ విల్ యూజ్ లెటర్ p. Instead of space I will use p. So now here we will count. P's are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So I is equal to 0, and after 16 spaces we can print first hash. Okay, so now here I will give I is equal, range of 1 is in the first row 1 hash is printed in the first row, and after 16th columns 1 hash is printed. So now here I will give range of I is 2. So range of I is equal to 2 mean I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 0 is completed. Next value of I is 1, and the range of h is minus 16 comma minus 2. So after minus 16 comma minus 2, second I is equal to 1, 2 hashes. I is equal to 1, 1 plus 1 2, j is equal to 0 to range of 2. Range of 2 means j values are 0 and 1, and second row 2 hashes are printed. Click on the run module. In the second row 2 hashes are printed. So now here I will give range of 3, and the range of 3 means the range of I values are 0 1 2. Okay, so next I value is 2, I is equal to 2, range of j is 2 plus 1 3. So range of 3 means j values are 0 1 2. So j is equal to 0. In the first row 1 hash is completed, j is equal to 1, and second row 2 hashes are completed. Next j is equal to 2, and the third row 3 hashes will be printed. Third row 3 hashes printed. So now here we will give range of 4. In the fourth row 4 hashes are printed. So now here my program is full pyramid pattern of hashes. At the bottom 15 hashes, up to 15 hashes. So because of that here I will use 15 15. So at the bottom 15 hashes will be printed. So now here space is not given. Space is not given. So when you use the space here from starting position, this is the first hash mean, that is the center position. From this center position, this space is the negative axis, the negative values of h. That is minus 16, minus 15, minus 14, minus 13, like that up to minus 1. After 16 places, first hash is printed. And similarly here also next second row. So now where the space is not given, what you can observe on the Python console, click on the run module. So there is no spaces, it print half pyramid. It start from starting position. From starting position. So because of that here we can use one space. So this is the Python program, full pyramid pattern of hashes. at the bottom up to 15 hashes.